What's going on, YouTube? And today we are doing a install video on my 2011 BMW 335. So with that being said, I'm going to show you guys how to install. Today we're going to install some new cup holders. I'm going to see how that goes. Hopefully I don't have to replace anything. I just bought some tools from Amazon, some pry tools. I got my cups from cup holders from Amazon as well. So we're gonna hopefully pray this works. This might be a new series I'm doing on the channel. I do want to get back on the grind on YouTube, so hopefully this will be a good series. Hopefully I can bring in some more people, some more subs and all that. I'm planning on doing a lot of interior mods in the next following months, and then I think springtime, that's when I'm gonna really start doing the big mods. So for now, I'm gonna start with small mods. Today I have my cup holders that I'm putting in, and then I think I'm trying to decide, should I do my wiper blades as well, or should I wait till next week, make that another video? I don't know. Y'all decide, y'all let me know. It's just small interior mods, bettering this car too, because Lord knows I let this car get away from me. So stay tuned. Make sure y'all lock in. I'm also gonna make this like a short form content as well, so I'm probably just gonna upload like quick little edits here and there on YouTube Shorts and TikTok as well. So make sure y'all are following the channel as well, Hokage's Paradise. And yeah, make sure y'all follow me on my social medias as well. I'm gonna be trying to be a lot more active on there as well. So until then, I'll see y'all later, and yeah, let's get into the video. So today we are replacing the cups on my 2011 335. Hopefully this is good, hopefully this works. So hopefully this is capturing everything. I got my prying tools. I don't know which tool I should use, so I mean, I would think they're all okay, right? I ordered these off of Amazon. Yeah, I ordered these off of Amazon. I usually just do like the 5-star and the Amazon Prime so I can get it the next day, and they came the next day. And I think like 20,000 people use this, I think. I'm not too sure, but we gotta find out. So wish me luck, chat. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna try this one. Give me a sec, chat. All right, y'all, I'm back. So had to go in, get a Phillips head screwdriver. Hopefully this is the right one. I don't know my tools, so I'm sorry. You'll need a banana clip as well, and you'll just pop it in like so. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly. I ain't never done this before. All right, perfect. So once you get the trim off, got some screws right here. You'll just pop these out. Go. Second one out. Put that right there. And then got our new ones. So got the new ones that came in. So we'll just slide these joints, just reverse what you just did. not break your trim, because if so, you're gonna have a bad day. But I think it would be like this or like this. We'll put these back in. The design, follow the design. Perfect, and then you got your new cup holders installed. Make sure y'all hit me with that follow. I know this is a very rough, put together kind of segment, and I'm sorry. I will try and be better in the future for me and for you guys. But till then, let me show y'all the new ones. So y'all got the new setup. So you got the new cup holder. Wow, looks good, looks good. And then you got that one as well. But yeah, make sure y'all tune in. I got some more stuff coming. I bought some wiper blades. I'm also, like I said, gonna do some other installs as well. Some minor interior mods for the car until spring/summer. That's when I can do the big mods. I'm hoping I can do that. But until then, we got old girl. Oh, I gotta show her some TLC. But until then, I'll see you guys later. Make sure y'all have a great rest of your day. Have an amazing night. And I will see y'all later. Peace.